I am unable to learn English. Why?
Don't worry, learning a new language can be challenging. Let's break it down together.
I find it hard to understand English when people speak fast.
Listening to English podcasts or watching movies with subtitles can help you get used to different accents and speeds.
I struggle to remember vocabulary. What should I do?
Creating word lists based on topics you are interested in. It will make memorization easier and more fun.
I feel embarrassed when I make pronunciation mistakes.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Practice speaking slowly and focus on pronunciation. It will improve with time and practice.
But I don't know where to start with learning English.
Start with the basics like greetings, numbers, and simple sentences. Once you build a foundation, you can progress to more complex topics.
I don't have access to good English learning resources.
There are many free resources available online like language learning apps, websites, and YouTube channels. Let's explore them together.
Dear friend, I feel overwhelmed by the amount of English grammar rules.
Break it down into smaller chunks and focus on one grammar rule at a time. Practice exercises and examples to reinforce your understanding.
Do you know? I am afraid of making mistakes in front of others.
Remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Don't be afraid to speak up and practice. It's the best way to improve.
But I don't have anyone to correct my English.
I can help you. Let's have regular conversations and I will give you feedback on your English. We can learn together.
I feel like I will never be as good as a native English speaker.
Being fluent doesn't mean speaking perfectly. Embrace your unique journey and celebrate your progress along the way.
I am not sure if learning English is worth the effort.
Learning English opens up countless opportunities for travel, work, and making new friends. Stay motivated and keep your goals in mind.
I feel like I am not making any progress in learning English.
Learning takes time and patience. Maybe we can try different methods to find what works best for you.
I keep forgetting words and grammar rules.
It's normal to forget sometimes. Repetition and practice will help reinforce what you have learned.
I am afraid I will never be fluent in English.
Don't give up. With consistent practice and determination, you will improve over time.
I get nervous when speaking English with others.
It's okay to feel nervous, but remember, practice makes perfect. Let's practice speaking together.
I don't understand why English grammar is so complicated.
Grammar can be tricky, but we can go through it step by step. Let's start with the basics.
I feel discouraged when I make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of the learning process. Let's learn from them and keep moving forward.
I don't have enough time to study English.
Even just a few minutes a day can make a difference. Let's find ways to incorporate English into your daily routine.
I am struggling to find motivation to keep learning English.
Think about your goals and the exciting opportunities that await you once you are fluent in English.
I am worried I will never be able to understand English slang and idioms.
Don't worry. Exposure and practice will help you become more familiar with slang and idiomatic expressions over time.
I am finding it hard to stay consistent with my English studies.
Set small, achievable goals for yourself and track your progress. Celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated.
I feel like I am not making any progress in my English speaking skills.
Progress may feel slow at times, but every bit of practice contributes to improvement. Keep going, you are doing great.
I feel like I am too old to learn English.
Age is just a number. Learning knows no bounds. With determination and perseverance, you can learn English at any age.
I am feeling overwhelmed by the vastness of the English language.
Take it one step at a time and focus on the areas that are most important to you. Learning English is a journey. Enjoy the process.
I am afraid I will never be able to speak English confidently in social situations.
Practice speaking English with friends and family in low-pressure settings. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
I am not sure if I will ever be satisfied with my English skills.
Trust in your abilities and celebrate how far you have come. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. You are on the right track.